In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google One. We will walk through it slowly so you can follow along without pausing every second. First, open your browser and search for Google One. In the address bar at the top, click once so it is highlighted, then type the words Google One and press enter. On most browsers, you will now see a search results page with several links, usually with Google One right at the top. You should see the words Google One and something about cloud storage and extra benefits under the main result. Taking a second here to confirm the text on that first result helps you avoid fake or misleading sites that sometimes appear lower on the page. Once you see the search results, click the correct Google One link and then click Sign in the top right corner. The correct link will usually have a short description about expanded storage for Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. When the Google One page opens, look toward the top right of the screen for the Sign In button. It is often outlined or filled in a contrasting color so it stands out. Click that Sign In button once and wait for the next page to load before you continue. Now log in using your standard Google account credentials. This is the same email and password you already use for Gmail, YouTube, or Google Drive. Enter your email address first, then click Next, and on the following screen enter your password and click Next again. If you use two-step verification, you may see a prompt on your phone or a code box on the screen. Once you finish that, you will land back in Google One, but now signed in, usually with your profile picture or initial showing in the top right corner so you know you are using the correct account. From there, scroll down to view the available storage tiers such as 100 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, or 2 terabytes. As you scroll, you should see each plan in its own box, often showing the storage size in big numbers and the monthly or yearly price below. Some regions also show extra benefits like support or family sharing listed under each plan. Take a moment to compare the sizes with what you usually store in Google Drive and Photos. Many beginners underestimate how quickly photos and videos use up space, so choosing a plan with a bit of room to grow can prevent constant warnings later. Next up, click the Get Offer, Upgrade, or Join Google One button under your preferred plan. Then review the pricing details and payment terms. The exact wording of the button can differ, but it will always be inside the plan box you want. After you click it, a new section or pop-up will show the final price, how often you will be billed, and sometimes any trial period. Carefully read whether the price is monthly or yearly so you know what will appear on your statement. Once everything looks correct, continue on the same screen. At this point, select or enter your credit card or PayPal details via Google Pay. Then confirm the transaction to instantly upgrade your account storage. You may see existing payment methods already listed from past Google purchases. You can choose one of those or add a new card or PayPal by filling in the boxes that appear. Google Pay securely stores these details, so you usually do not need to re-enter them next time. When you click the final Confirm or Buy button, wait a few seconds. The page will update and you should see your new storage amount displayed, often near the top of the Google One page and inside your account information. You have now successfully added Google One to your Google account and increased your available cloud storage. If this walkthrough made getting Google One easier, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Google how-tos.